We are at this place. This is called Gallu Temple, and we are in the midway of Triund. This is the way where we start trekking, but at this time we cannot go up there. So we staying here over here at this place, this small rest resting place. My brothers with me. What a beautiful valleys. Nice place, beautiful place. This place is very away from pollution, traffics of the Dharamshala, and very beautiful place, very isolated place. See, you can see that there is a uh, right over there, that is called Gallu Temple, and after that temple this place is known as Gallu Temple. Now we are going towards the waterfall, uh, which is 3 kilometers away from here. So let's go. This way. So right from here we are heading towards the waterfall. This is the off-road, so no car can go there. And this is a walking place, and
we are heading towards our journey.
My brother. Yes.
And it's really feeling good.
1.5 kilometers from Guru Temple, and we are going back.
So I will show you some monk.
Which side? I think this way. Or this way. फ्रंट कैमरा बनाएंगे, मतलब ऊपर देखा है। ठीक है ठीक है। Reached here. I think this is a sunset place, sunset point. We don't stop. We don't stop here. We will see this place after visiting the waterfall. So this is a sunset point. Now there are two ways. We don't know which is the right way, so we have to ask somebody. I think this is camping available, but I think waterfall is up there. Here is written that camping available here down, but I think waterfall would be up there. Which side? There is a written up signboard camping available. Maybe camping on the shore of Waterfall. Nope.
There is no camping available at the spot of waterfall. My dear,
The-
you are under some mistake.
So maybe Waterfall. Maybe up there.
Go upward, not downward.
So you have to ask somebody. As you can see, there are two ways, but we are very confused at that which way we have to go.
So let's come on.
Which side? So we have to go upside. We have to follow the upward way for the waterfall. See, this is beautiful place. Wow. Rocks. These are the boulder rocks. And we are going through the rocks, going through the jungles. This is called like trekking. Trekking. Beautiful place. Nice. Amazing. Woo!
Ona?
This is a very dangerous place.
See the roads?
Very hazardous.
Very dangerous and very big stones over here.
Very stony place.
See.
Rocks are
My God.
here and there. We are
Oh my God.
going through a rock.
Where is the other guy?
Kind of this is place you have to put your steps very carefully. If you don't put your steps carefully, you will got hurt.
And there is the other guy. Finally we got him. See man, the road are really tough.
How to travel? It seems like that there is no further way out. But when we go nearby, we can see the hill.
See the road guys. My God.
We are lost.
Not at
We
all.
lost.
Not at all man. Oh my God. A very tough road.
How many kilometers we have covered? We have to cover 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers.
Not at all.
Around 30 or 45 minutes it will take.